In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Checkbox in Figma. We'll start by grabbing a high-quality checkbox from the Figma community, bring it into your own file, and then tailor it to match your design. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable checkbox you can drop into any project. First, head to figma.com and sign in. You can do this in the browser or the desktop app. Either one works. From there, open the community section. This is Figma's library of ready-made resources shared by creators around the world. It's a great place to find well-structured UI components that follow best practices, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. In the community search bar, type checkbox and hit enter. You'll see a range of files from simple checkboxes to full component systems. Look for options that mention variants or states like checked, unchecked, hover, and disabled. That usually means the component is more flexible and easier to maintain. Open a result that looks promising and review the preview to confirm it includes what you need. When you're ready, click Open in Figma. The file will open in your drafts. If you're prompted to choose, pick the desktop app if you have it installed. It's often faster for moving elements between files. Inside the file, select the checkbox you want. If there's a main component, copy that so you maintain the component relationship and can reuse it consistently. Use Command or Control-C to copy. Switch to your project file and paste with Command or Control-V. Place it on the correct page or frame where you're designing your UI. If it pastes as an instance, that's good. Instances keep your design consistent and let you update multiple checkboxes at once by editing the main component. Now customize it to fit your design. In the right sidebar, adjust properties like size, corner radius, and stroke weight to match your style. If there's a label, tweak the font, weight, and spacing so it aligns with your typography. Keep accessibility in mind. Aim for a clickable area of around 40 to 44 pixels to make it easy to tap, and maintain clear spacing so labels aren't cramped. Finally, change the color. If the checkbox uses color styles, swap the fill or stroke styles to your brand tokens. If it's using direct colors, update the fill for the checkmark and the border color for the box. Ensure the checked state has strong contrast with the background, and if variants exist, apply your color updates to each state so interactions remain consistent. That's it. You've sourced, placed, customized, and colored a checkbox in Figma ready to reuse across your design.